Good morning, friend. 8th standard. Already we have completed about the square root by prime factorization method. So I am explaining you prime factorization method. So now already in last lecture we have completed about the how to find out prime factor of square root. So we have completed 4 or 5 sums. Now again I want to explain more sum related exercise 6.3. So I am start from 4096. So how we can do it? 4096 under root 4096. Now we have to make a prime factor of 4096. So start from 2. Why we have to start from 2? Unit place is 6, so it is divisible by 2. So 2 2 is 2, 4 is 8, and 2 8 is 16. So 2048, how it is possible? 4096 divided by 2. 2 2 is 4, here 0, again I have to put 0, here 9, 2 4 is 8, again 1 6, 2 is 16. So now again I have divided by 2, 1 0 2 4. Again I have divided by 2, 5 1 2. Again divided by 2, 2 5 6. Again divided by 2, 1 2 8. Again divided by 2, 64. Again divided by 2, 32. Again divided by 2, 16. Again divided by 2, 8. Again divided by 2, 4. Again divided by 2, 2. Again divided by 2, 1. So how many times 2 that we have to write it? To the power 2. So we have to make a round. Again second to the power 2, second round. Again to the power 2, third round. Again to the power 2, fourth round. Again to the power 2, fifth round. Again to the power 2, sixth round. So how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I have to write. So when we come outside, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 6 times I have to write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 2 2 is 4, 2 is 8, 2 is 16, 2 is 32, 2 is 64. So 4906 is a 4906 is a find the square root of the following number. So 4096 is a square root of 64. One more sums we have to complete anyhow. So first we have to erase it. So when you are watching the video on that time, you have to write the textual based questions solved properly. Chalo, one more sums now. 1764. You can repeat all the sums, then it is possible to continue it. Otherwise, we cannot get a result. If you want to get a result, you have to repeat all the sum. Now 1764. So 1764. Again start from 2. So 8 ja 16. Again 8 ja 16. 2 ja. Again 2, 4, 4, 1. I think in last lecture we have completed this. So it is not necessary that we have to do it. So next 4 or 5 questions still remain. So now 9 to 16. So we are doing this. 9, 2, 1, 6. So we have to start from 2. So 2 4 is 8, 2 6 is, and 2 digit we have taken, so I have to write 0 8. Mostly students when divide it, they are writing 4 6 8, but 4 6 0 and 8. Again 2 3 divide, 2 3 0 4. Again 2 3 divide, 1 1 5 2. 2 2 4 is 8, 2 6 is 2 0 and 2 8 is 16. 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 2 0 and 4. Again 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10 and 2. Again divided by 2, 2 5 is 10, 15, 2 7 is 14, 2 6 is 12. Again 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 8 is 16, 2 8 is 16. Again 2, 1 4 4. Again 2, we have to write 72. Again 2, 36. Again 2, 18. Again 2, 9. Again 3, 3. Again 3, 1. So how many times I am writing? Under root 9216 is equal to, make a round, 1. So to the power 2. Again second, to the power 2. Again third, to the power 2. Again fourth, to the power 2. Again fifth, to the power 2. And 3 to the power 2. So these two powers should be removed. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 2 is 4, 2 is 8, 2 is 16, 2 is 32, 32 into 3. So 96. So it is a 9216 is a square root of 96. Now one more sums we have to complete anyhow. So you have to, when you are using the video, you have to write in rough book, so it is easy to solve you again. So 6.3 we are doing it here. Question number, some question I am explaining which is important for you. All others you can easily do it yourself, or you can see the example also. Now some statement type sums is also there. Now you will see one question is there with the student of the class 8th of the school donate 2 rupees, here it is rupees, 2401 in all for Prime Minister National Relief Fund. Each student donate as many rupees as the number of students in the class. Find the number of students. So first of all, number of student multiply by same number of rupees. Donate as many rupees as the number of students. So number of rupees is equal to given 2401. So if we will take number of students as a x or a, then again rupees is also a. So we have to write a square is equal to 2401. So a square is equal to 2401. Therefore a is equal to under root 2401. Now we have to make a prime factor of it. So we have to start from 240. Here it is a 1. So if we will total 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 1, 7. So 7 is not divided by any number. So what we have to plan? Either it is a square of whose number that we want to check, because it is not divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Even though 7th is a 21, 3, 0. 7 for 28. So we can do it by We cannot do it by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have to start from 7. 7 3 are 21. 3, 0. 7 4 are 28. Again 7 3 are. Now again 7. 7 4 are 28. 7 9 are. Again 7. Again 7. Again 7. Again 7. So A is equal to 7 square into 7 square. So if we will take out as a 7 into 7, that is 49 rupees and 49 student. Each student has gave 49 rupees to the fund, and number of students are also 49, and rupees they donate is also 49. Such type of question they ask. One more question related it. So you have to write this again proper way. Now again same. How many plants is the number of rows? Find the number of rows and number of plants. So what I have to write? Number of plants multiply by number of rows is equal to total plant, that is 2025. So number of plants, if we'll take x, number of rows we can take x. So x into x is equal to 2025. So x square is equal to 2025. Therefore x is equal to under root 2025. Now you can make factor of 2025. Here 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9. So I have to divide it by 3. 3 6 are 18, 2 22, 3 7 are 21, 3 5 are 15. Again 3, 3 2 are 6, 3 2 are 6, 3 5 are. Again 3, 3 7 are 21, 3 5 are. Again 3, 25. Now we have to convert into 5 into 5. So 3 square into 3 square into 5 square. So 3 into 3 into 5, that is 45. So number of plants are also 45. Number of plants 45, and number of rows is equal to also 45. So out of many questions I am completing most easy question at here. It is sufficient. Now in next lecture we can go through. So question number 1 and 2, it is too much easy. What could be the possible ones digit? So compulsory you have to remember it. When unit place is 1, always under root is 1. Always 5 is 5. So and digit is also important. Second question, not a perfect square. So these are not a perfect square. Why? Because its unit place is 7, 3 and 8. So not possible. Here it is, yes. Here repeated by method of repeating subtraction. So we have to minus it. How many times we have to minus? One example is given in text. You can follow it, or if you don't know, you can call me or say WhatsApp to me. So this is sufficient for us today.